people don't realize they're being controlled every single day. Not by the world, not by others, but by their own subconscious mind. Every thought you repeat, every fear you feed, every excuse you make, it's quietly being written deep inside your mind, like a code. And that code, it runs your life. Your subconscious doesn't know what's true or false. It only believes what you tell it over and over again. So when you say, "I'm not good enough," it listens. When you say, "I can't do this," it obeys. But when you say, "I'm built for more," it starts to change everything inside you. See, 95% of your actions, your habits, your emotions, they come from that silent power. If your life feels stuck, it's not your destiny that's broken. It's your programming. You've been programmed by your surroundings, your failures, your fears. But guess what? You can reprogram it. By what you feed your mind, your words, your thoughts, your focus. Start talking to yourself differently. Start visualizing where you want to be, not where you are. Repeat it, live it, breathe it. Because your subconscious listens every single time. And when it believes, it acts. People will call it luck. They'll say, "You changed." No, you just woke up. You stopped letting your past control your programming. You started controlling it yourself. So from today, stop saying you can't. Stop saying you'll never. Your words are seeds. Your thoughts are commands. Speak power. Think power. And one day soon, you'll look back and realize you became exactly what you once told your mind you would.